Ryan.
Where are you? I know you live far away, but you always seem to get here on time.
Oh my God.
Ryan.
Ryan.
Are you all right?
Yes, Thomas, but sometimes everything happens at once. I have to see Sir Topham Hatt to get my orders right away. The journey from Shining Time keeps getting bumpier and bumpier.
Does it? A big woolly diesel is back, Mr. Conductor. You had better be careful.
Sir Topham Hatt warned me about Diesel. Don't worry, Thomas. I'll just pop in and out with my sparkle wherever he goes and keep him in order. I hope. Old Big Diesel had a plan. With a pinch here and a pinch there. Here a pinch, there a pinch. I cracked myself up.
Chuck, the conductor baby has a little steam in it that won't come out. It has wonderful energy because of it. But it...
I just don't understand.
I know it's so
My baby. My baby. This is where Burnett's granddaughter, Lilly, comes into our story. Big city. A few hours train ride from Shining.
I'm so sorry. Don't worry about Nathan. Take care of that lady. Yeah. Oh, hey. You want me up?
But I'd rather just stay here.
Up there? Go ahead. Okay.
See you in a minute.
Yeah.
You're coming with me to Grandpa's Bluebird. I know how much you like to travel.
Engines were confident, cheerful, and determined not to be bullied by Diesel. Only James, who now felt really useful too, was complaining.
Wobbly wheels, puffy pistons.
Thomas, I should have collected Mr.
Richard?
Oh, my bad.